Nursery rhymes, Mom and Me. Let's start. Repeat after me. Let us walk by the water so blue. Holding my hand is the safe thing to do. Now say the color name, repeat after me. Can you say blue? Let's stand together, safe and true. In a world that's colored blue. Blue is safe for me and you. Now say it with me, louder. Let's explore the world so blue. Hold my hand, I'll stand by you. Now repeat after me, say blue.
Blue.
Look at the beautiful sky.
Look at the stars.
Yes, they are shining just for you.
Mommy, this is my favorite color, blue.
Your child can learn and speak faster and have clarity in concepts by listening to our videos continuously. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you.